I ordered a folding bookshelf for all of my heavy books as well as my decorative items, and wasn't sure if a folding bookshelf was going to be able to handle the weight and work out well, and it did. So I just ordered another one and getting ready to move some more books over. Very sturdy, very easy just to fold up. These come out and then this part just folds in, and fairly lightweight, but again sturdy. So I have quite a few books here, and no sign of saggy shelves or anything like that. So I love the look. It kind of fits in well with just about any decor. Attractive, but not too attention-getting in and of themselves. I believe they do come in a different finish as well, but I will say I will never go back to big, heavy, cumbersome bookshelves again. I love these folding bookshelves. Whenever I'm ready to move, this is just going to make life so much easier.